In today's video, I'll show you how to run reports in Shopify so you can better understand how your store is performing. Shopify's reporting tools make it easy to track sales, analyze customer behavior, and gain valuable insights into your overall business performance. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and look to the left-hand menu. Click on Analytics, which is the main hub for all of your store's performance data. This section gives you access to important metrics that help you evaluate how your business is doing. Once you're in the Analytics area, click on Reports. This will take you to a page where Shopify displays a collection of pre-built reports. These reports are designed to cover a wide range of topics, including sales trends, customer activity, and inventory performance, giving you quick access to essential data. To view a report, simply click on the one you want to explore. Shopify will generate the report automatically, which may take a few moments depending on how much data is being processed. When the report loads, you'll see the information presented in a clean, easy-to-read format. From here, you can review trends, spot opportunities for improvement, and uncover insights that can help guide your business decisions. Regularly reviewing these reports allows you to stay informed and make adjustments to your strategy as your store grows. And that's all there is to it. Running reports in Shopify is quick, simple, and incredibly valuable for keeping your business on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get the most out of Shopify's reporting tools. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.